There.
Attention. Attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit. Walk down to your assigned re-entry floor.
Guys, this way. This way.
Elevator.
Down the stairwell.
Walk to the nearest stairway.
The nearest one.
I'm walking with you. I know, but still.
Leave this out of stuff. Alex, what did I tell you?
Get him?
Yeah, I got it.
So what just happened in the past like 3 seconds? Someone took the alarm off.
Well, they have to when they exiting that.
Are you dying?
That's their door alarm.
I know. I'm just following, yeah. I started like 2 weeks ago. And I'm like, what? Yeah, we had time on that. You know what's funny is what my student said. I swear we're gonna have a fire drill. We haven't had one in forever. Literally in 5th period, she said that. Wow.
Well, that's amazing.
Miss the porter like told her we're gonna go up to the room. Oh, where? Yeah. Oh yeah. See, I'm too blind to like see it. So, and I was like, so what is? Like I remember when I was in Burnside, you know, but yeah, there's kids with like they'll get them out. But 35 and 145, we're like way off of that by now.